Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if your Rheem Tankless water heater is showing error code 45, it usually points to an issue related to the air intake or exhaust system, which can prevent the unit from operating safely. This can be frustrating because the heater may stop producing hot water completely, even though everything else seems fine. Error codes like this are built-in safety alerts designed to protect the system from damage or unsafe conditions. In many cases, the problem is caused by blockages, improper airflow, or venting issues, rather than a serious internal failure. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix Rheem error code 45 and restore normal operation. Try these. 1. Check the air intake and exhaust vents for any blockage. 2. Remove any dust, debris, or obstruction from the vent areas. 3. Turn off the unit and unplug it from the power source. 4. Wait for a few minutes and restart the water heater. 5. Inspect vent connections to ensure they are properly fitted. 6. Turn the unit back on and confirm the error code is cleared.